Welcome to the AutoPulse NXT Resuscitation System in-service video series. This multi-part series provides detailed information about the AutoPulse NXT mechanical CPR device and its functionality. This series serves as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the user guide available at ZOLL.com. Proper use of the system requires a thorough understanding of the product, appropriate training, and practice. In this module, we will review how to apply and remove the hygiene barrier. The AutoPulse NXT Resuscitation System includes a hygiene barrier, or plastic cover, to help reduce contamination during use. Place the hygiene barrier on the platform prior to installing a new AutoPulse NXT band. To install the hygiene barrier, slip it over the bottom of the platform and extend it to cover the entire platform. Align the openings in the hygiene barrier with the battery, air vents, and AutoPulse NXT band attachment points. To remove the hygiene barrier, you must first remove the AutoPulse NXT band. Next, pull the hygiene barrier down from the top of the platform and dispose of it. We have now reviewed how to use the hygiene barrier for the AutoPulse NXT Resuscitation System.